Did you know that learning guitar literally rewires your brain? Whether you are just starting or have been playing for years, your brain is constantly changing in powerful ways. Let's explore what science says about how playing guitar transfers your mind. Guitar boosts memory. Playing guitar activates both sides of your brain, the left for logic and the right for creativity. This cross-brain simulation enhances your working memory, which helps you solve problems, recall information faster, and stay mentally sharp. Improves coordination and reaction time. When you play guitar, your brain sends complex signals to both hands, all while keeping rhythm and melody in sync. Studies have found that guitarists often have better hand-eye coordination and faster reaction times than non-musicians. Reduces stress and anxiety. Strumming the guitar for even 10 or 15 minutes can reduce cortisol, the stress hormone. It also increases dopamine, your brain feels good chemical, helping you feel calm, focused, and more emotionally balanced. Enhances creativity. Writing music or improvising on guitar strengthens the brain's creative centers. Even just practicing chords forces you to think in patterns, feel emotion, and express it, which boosts your overall creative thinking. Builds discipline and patience. Learning to play guitar takes time, and that's a good thing. Practicing regularly strengthens your brain ability to focus, builds patience, and help you stay motivated. All skills that apply to every part of your life. So the next time you pick up your guitar, remember, you are not just playing music, you are improving your memory, reducing stress, sharpening your brain, and building lifelong mental strength. Music changes your mind, literally. If you find this inspiring, hit like and subscribe and share with someone who just started with their guitar journey. This is Guitar Shots Nepal, helping you grow with every note. Thanks for watching.